If you are looking to make big money in the market, focus on news. News matters. Many moves or most moves in stocks start with some sort of a news. Understanding news and how it impacts stock is extremely critical to you becoming a good trader. If you can understand the impact of news, good news, bad news, what kind of news moves a stock, how much a news can move a stock, news about earnings, news about change of management, news about new products, news about new policy change. These are all kinds of news which can start a rally which can go on for months, sometimes years. So, understanding news is so important. Many times traders are so fascinated by chart or they've been brainwashed into believing you just need to understand charts. But if you can understand news, then you will be a much better trader than just understanding charts. Understand news based moves. Understand what news came in at the beginning of a news move that made this stock go up. Look at what kind of a news the market reacts to on a day-to-day basis. If you are short-term trader and day trader, especially if you are a day trader, you can make a living just focusing on stocks which are the news. And this kind of a method is called stocks in play. And many day traders make a living out of just focusing on stocks in play. But even if you're not a day trader, if you're a swing trader, moves based on news can move a stock for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, offer you very low risk opportunity. If you're a longer term trader, news is what is going to be a pivot which is going to launch a stock for a multi-month kind of a move. So understanding of news and understanding impact of news should be an essential skill which a beginner trader should focus on. And if you can perfect that, if you can understand the impact of news, then you will find many big explosive short-term moves, long-term moves, and you will have a steady ongoing ways of making money by looking at news. Have a process to look at a daily news. Have a process to identify news likely to move a stock. Have a calendar of news. And if you can do that, you will never go hungry and you will find many big opportunities. So don't underestimate news. Don't underestimate news.